but another yellow moon punched a hole in the nighttime. Yes, I climb out my window, drop down to the street. I'm shining like a new dime. Downtown trains are full with all them Brooklyn girls who try so hard to break out of their little worlds. You wave your hand and they scatter like crows, and they have nothing that can capture your heart. They're just a thorn without a rose. Be careful of them in the dark. If I was a one, you chose to be your only one. Oh baby, can you hear me calling now? Will I see you tonight on the downtown train? All my tears, they fell like rain on a downtown train. When you're alone and life is making you lonely, you can always go downtown. When you get lazy and it's making you crazy, you can always play downtown. Just listen to the traffic and the heartbeat of the city. Linger on the sidewalk where the neon lights are pretty. How can you not go? The lights are much brighter than you can forget all your trouble, forget all your cares and go downtown. Let's go downtown. I said downtown, there I'll be waiting for you. I know your window and I know it's late. I know your stairs, I know your doorway. I walk down your street, just past your gate. I'm standing there in the light of the four-way. You watch them as they fall. They all have heart attacks. They stay at the carnival, but they'll never get you back. Will I see you tonight on a downtown